At this point, I'm glad to be a fan of Dimash, bro. Like, oh! Hi, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, we're gonna do a Dimash reaction today. What we're gonna do, we're gonna react to Dimash Sauce. So, I want to have some peaceful music within me, right? So, I guess Dimash is the perfect person to give me that, right? So, let's dive into Dimash Sauce. Peace. So, Dimash is an excellent artist. An artist that paints vivid pictures of what he's saying in his music. Oh my god, yo, this is a man I can't get enough of his voice, bro. Like, oh my, his music, it is just so unnaturally real, bro. Like, to be honest, I do not know how he does it, but he does. Yo, I'm a super fan of this artist, bro. Like, a very big super fan. Guys, look, this is my favorite artist coming from Kazakhstan, right? And you know, I'm a Jamaican, so in my country, to be honest, I'm not sure if people in my country really knows about Dimash, bro. I'm telling you, but I guess they should, because you know this is a Jamaican reactor, so I'm here to, you know, to venture to let them know about Dimash. Hopefully someday a new reactor in my country can rise up to listen to Dimash. Trust me. Hey, he's too powerful, bro. He's too powerful. Too powerful. Oh my, yo, this is getting so bizarre. Like, very bizarre, bro. Yo, I am nervous at this point. Ah, yo, Dimash, bro, you are making me getting so much chills while listening to you, man. Like, woo, too good, bro, too good.
Je te jure, confondez la vie avec le bon dessiné.
Yo, he's too timeless. Like, he's too timeless. Yo, timeless, bro. Like, every time you come back and to listen this, man, right? It gets newer and newer by the minute. electric, electric. Yo, is naturally unnatural. Like, is incomparable. Like, I haven't seen no one takes the place of Dimash yet. Yeah, there are others, but bro, like, come on, bro. You have to give credit to where it's due. Like, Dimash is unmatched. Like, this man, bro, like, this man is too different. Too different. Yo, imagine, right? You're sitting in an arena, right, where summer fans are located, and you are there to see Dimash, and he pulls this music, bro. Like, my head would float, bro. Like, it will float away. Because literally, this man voice makes you feel lighter than how you are feeling heavy with, the natural cause of life, right? So this is the reason why I came back to listen to this music, right? Because this music literally gives you life to make you feel more freer than how you're doing now. Naturally timeless. Yo, the music, it's so intense, man. Yo, Dimash is killing it. He is killing it. I gotta say, he's an angelic person, right? His voice is very angelic. It gives you that sweet, soft, feeling good vibe. Like, oh my god, yo! Dimash, I gotta say, you are incredible, my bro. Very incredible. Yo, yo. See what I'm saying? Look at that. Effortlessly. The way how he does it, bro. The angel wings pops out like it's nothing, bro. Like, this is the perfect example of what we should describe Dimash as, bro. An angel sent from heaven on earth to display of how beautiful music should sound like. He's naturally a superstar, bro. Unmatched person, unmatched artist, unmatched singer. Wow! Wow! Terrifically good. He's too perfect. Too perfect. Right? He's from Kazakhstan. And trust me, to all the Kazakhstan viewers who are watching this, you guys are also perfect. Because you guys are watching. Right? And I appreciate you so much. Much as I appreciate Dimash because he's making some great dominance here. At this point, I'm glad to be a fan of Dimash, but like, oh, bullseye! Ruka, bro. Super, my G. Super, bro. See, currently, I'm feeling so relieved now, bro. Like, thank you so much, Dimash. Thank you so much, bro. than syrup you can't find, bro. Dimash is perfect. So please stay tuned, guys. Dimash is a natural born superstar. If you guys want some more Dimash reaction, subscribe, hit the bell icon for more. I'll see you guys in the next video.